Okay, time to go over your PSSA Power 49. Make sure you already did it before you go over this. Make corrections and take notes on the 50 side so you don't lose points then. So in the first one, it says, what is the interquartile range of the numbers below? Remember, interquartile range means you have to find the third quartile minus the first quartile. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these numbers in least to greatest order. So I have 13, 14, 15. 18, 19, 20. 6 numbers that I can split in half right here. So Q1 is the middle of the lower half, Q3 is the middle of the upper half, so all I have to do is 19 minus 14, because that's Q3, that's Q1, and I will get 5. If you had it, give yourself a C. Okay, next one, we have to find the area of this figure. So I'm going to split it or decompose it in a spot that looks good to me. So I'm trying to decide if I want to split it here or if I want to split it here. So I think I'm going to split it right here. That looks like it might be a little bit easier. Now I see if I start with this rectangle, let me shade it, this rectangle here. I'm going to start with that one, and then I'm going to find the area of this rectangle here. So in the gray rectangle, I know the one length is 8, and I need to figure out this width. So I see this whole bottom is 10. Now the red part, if I steal this 6, is 6. That means the gray part must be 4, because 4 plus 6 is 10. So if I do 8 times 4, I get 32 for the area of the gray rectangle. Now the red rectangle is going to be a little bit easier because I have my 6, I have my 4. 6 times 4 is 24. That way if I add up my 32 for the gray rectangle with my 24 for the red rectangle, I will get 56 square centimeters, which is D. Alright, let's go to the third one. In the word diarrhea, what is the ratio of the letter R to the total letters in the word? So remember, the good strategy is always underline your ratio words. So you have to find the ratio of the letter R to the total letters. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to count my R's, which I see 1, 2. So I have 2 R's. Oop, I want the pen for that, not the highlighter. 2 R's. 2, the total number of letters. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 2 to 8. Now remember, it's supposed to be in simplest form, so you can reduce that on a calculator, like if you type in the fraction 2/8, or just divide each number by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 1 to 4 is the correct answer, C. If you had it, give yourself a C. Last one. This one is tricky. Let's see how you did on it. It says a $50 pair of jeans is on sale for 20% off. What price will you pay for the jeans if you buy them on sale? So I'm actually going to do a bar diagram for this. This is going to be my $50 pair of jeans, and it's on sale for 20% off. So if I think of this as 20%, that's the sale. Then this section over here will be 80%. Because 20 plus 80% is 100, and that's what I'm going to pay. If it's 20% off, that means I am paying 80%. So if I want to find the price I will pay for the jeans, that means I need to find this part. I need to find out what I'm going to pay. So 2 ways you can do it. I think the easiest one is to figure out what 80% of $50 is. And if you type in 80% times $50, you will get 40. So you are going to be paying $40. But maybe you didn't think of that. Maybe you typed in the 20% times 50. And if you do that, you get $10. But here's where you got to think. That $10 is the sale. That means you are not paying that $10. So you would have to take the $50 original price and subtract the $10 that you didn't have to pay to get your $40 that way. So that is a tricky one. So be careful when you do the one on the 50 side. All right. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me. Thanks.